I think that
Briefing, a senior administration official described it as a possible impediment to getting a deal.
I mean, what is that about?
I want to point out Margaret sneezed a few minutes ago. Very correctly, in the sleeve. I mean, it would be one thing if it was
I don't know. Who's got some Purell? Give that to Mr. Todd right away. A little hand sanitizer. Good. We'll have Elmo give Chuck a special briefing. We'll get Elmo over. Elmo knows how to sneeze.
We will seek to try
sorry.
to bring Chuck up to the level of a 4, 5, or 6-year-old.
Good.